Let's start the children one more good sum with. What is this sum trying to say? This is what the figure is. It says in the figure, PR and QS are the diameters of the circle. Okay, fine. PR and QS are the diameter of the circle. If PR is 28, PR is 28, diameter is 28, can I say radius is 14 centimeter? Can I say radius as 14 centimeter? PS 14 root 3, so just let me write down PS as 14 root 3. Let me just write down PS as 14 root 3 centimeter. But in our case, we won't be making use of it, so it will be a useless data for us. I shall make you understand why. PR is 28, PS is 14 root 3. Find the area of triangle OPS. I intend to find out area of triangle OPS. Thereafter, area of two shaded segment. Area of two shaded segment. This is first segment, this is second segment. Both the segments are equal in area. So if I happen to find out area of one segment, multiply by 2 will give me area of two shaded segments. Right? So step by step is what we move further with in finding area of triangle first, OPS. But prior to that, we write down what is angular measure. Solution, angular measure, theta is 120 degree. That's nothing but measure angle POS. Next, diameter is given to us. So diameter PR is known to us how much? 28 centimeter. Then what is the radius therefore? Radius is nothing but, radius is 14 centimeter. What is the radius? 14 centimeter. With this said and done, what I need to move on with? Area of triangle. So area of triangle, the first part we are into. First part, area of triangle OPS, children. Now children, I want you people to refresh your concepts. I did mention that whenever an area of triangle or wherever a triangle is embedded inside the circle with two radius along with the center and a chord, area of triangle is half r square sine theta. We have done sums based on that. So area of triangle OPS is half r square sine theta. Right children? So half r square, which is 14 square, sine 120. Now there are many who are not aware about sine 120 and they might ask, sir, we haven't learned. Our boards or our curriculum has not told us what is sine 120. Then sine 120 is cos 30. Sine 120 is cos 30. Keep this in mind. So it is half into 14 into 14 into, instead of writing sine 120, I shall write down cos 30. Since sine 120 is cos 30, children, keep this in mind. Right? So if you are not aware, you need to keep this in mind. And if your curriculum doesn't allow to make use of it, I'm having one more answer. I'm giving it to you. I'm having one more answer and I'm sharing with you people. So half into 14 into 14 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Since cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 1 times 7 times. 1 times 7 times. 49 into root 3, which is 1.73. They told us to take as 1.73. On multiplying, we get answer as 84.77 square centimeter. On multiplying, 49 into 1.73 is 84.77 square centimeter. That's area of triangle OPS. Now, when I started my sum, I did mention that. When I started the sum, I did mention that my 14 root 3 is going to be a useless data. Why? Here comes the answer. If you don't make use of sine 120 as cos 30, then how we find out area of triangle is a big question. Children, it's very, very simple. Right? We need to go for a simple construction. What construction we shall go with? We just need to join, or rather we need to draw a perpendicular from center. Say this is OM, perpendicular to PS. Say OM is perpendicular to PS. Are we aware? Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. This is one of the theorem of circle. So this is 14 root 3. This will be from here to here shall be 7 root 3. From here to here, it is 7 root 3. That is PM is 7 root 3. OP known to me, 14. PM we just now got it as 7 root 3. Can't we apply Pythagoras to get OM? Can't we apply Pythagoras to get OM? In context to triangle POS, OM turns out to be height, PS as a base, area of triangle is half into base into height. Area of triangle is half into base into height. For those people who are not making use of sine 120 as cos 30, this would have been answered and you would have taken PS into account. You can take PS into account. We are not making PS into account. Why? Because we are going with sine 120 as cos 30. If your curriculum doesn't allow you, then this is your base, this is your height. How did we find out the height? I happen to tell you. Right, children? Now what? With this said and done, we are done with your area, first part. Second part, find the area of segment. Now children, area of segment, we have a direct formula. R square, pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2. So I can make use of that particular formula directly. Right? I will get the answer. But since we have found out area of triangle, let me find out area of segment by area of sector minus area of triangle, our basic formula which we have learnt. Right? So what is area of sector? Now, what is area of sector? Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta 120 by 360, pi 22 by 7, r 14 into 14. Cancels off. 1s are 3 times, 1s are 2 times, 14 2s are 28, 22 into 28, 616 by 3. Answer is 205.33 square centimeter. So area of sector, this is area of sector. With sector, if you want, you can name it as OPXS. OPXS. Area of sector OPXS. Area of sector OPXS is 205.33. Now what, children? I intend to find out area of segment. If I find out area of one segment, multiply by 2, I'll be getting the area of shaded portion. So now, area of segment, area of one segment, mind you. So if you want, you can write down area of one segment is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle OPS. Minus area of triangle OPS. What is 5.33? We just now got it. Minus area of triangle OPS, 84.77. 84.77. On subtracting, you shall get it 120.56. 120.56. On subtracting, you will get 120.56. But this is area of one segment, mind you. Area of one segment. Area of one segment. How many segments we have? How many segments we have? We have 2 such segments. Therefore, area of both the segments, area of both the segments. Can I say area of shaded region also? Yes, is equals to 2 into 120.56. Mind you, I shall write down square centimeter, is 241.12 square centimeter. Area of both the segment is 241.12, or you can say area of shaded portion. Right, children? Now I was about to give you the second answer. So this is an optional answer with a different marker I'm writing. So short your answer will be, had you used the direct formula for area of segment, I could have gone for area. So this is our answer. Children, mind you, we are done with our sum. Or area of segment is nothing but one segment, mind you, is nothing but r square pi theta by 360 minus sine theta by 2. Minus sine theta by 2. Once again, sine 120 will be taken as cos 30. Sine 120 will be taken as cos 30, and we can work out. Only thing is that if you do by this particular calculation, or if you do by this particular way, maybe our answer will differ when it comes to the decimal part. our answer will differ in terms of decimal part. We might not have the exact 241.12. We might have something, a ballpark figure nearby, right? So that will be, in approximation to our answer. Both the ways are correct, mind you. Both the ways are correct. But over here, sine theta has to be taken as cos 30. That is, sine 120 has to be taken as cos 30. Are you getting me? I give you another answer for this also. What would have gone? We would have gone for a construction and then found out. Right, children?